Hi everyone, welcome back to the OmogeMuRa YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to show you how I take my hair from this to finally this. I have been doing my own hair ever since I've been natural. I hardly go to salons, and when I do, it is because it is part of a campaign or somebody paid for me to go to a salon. I honestly just do my hair all the time by myself. So I'm here to give you guys some necessary tips and tricks on how to style your natural hair properly. Before we start today's video, I want you guys to do me a huge favor and please subscribe to the OmogeMuRa YouTube channel. Also, when you finish subscribing, they're literally right next to each other. All you have to do is click on the bell. So you click the subscribe button, then you click on the bell. And when you click on the bell, make sure you select all notifications so that you always get all my notifications whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started in today's video. First, let us start off with washed and conditioned hair. I have found that styling my hair when my hair is washed, clean, conditioned, soft, and just detangled is so much better for the final style. The products will be able to penetrate. The curling cream, the pudding gel, whatever you're going to use, is going to penetrate deeper into the shaft of your hair if it's clean, and it's going to be easier to twist or style your hair if it's detangled. So I have washed and detangled my hair, and I've wrapped it up in a microfiber towel, which I have here. So these twists are an additional step that I take that makes it easier for me to detangle and style my hair. So while the conditioner is in my hair, what I do is I make twists. Like, I do twist, and what this does is that it allows the conditioner to really seep into the hair a bit more deeply, and also when you're rinsing out your hair, all the conditioner doesn't leave, so it leaves a little bit of conditioner in your hair, which makes your hair softer and easier to manage when you're styling. Another way twisting my hair with conditioner helps me is that it allows my hair to dry slower. Applying pudding creams, gels, curling custards, and all those kind of styling products on dry hair doesn't really work as well as applying it to damp hair. So I have these hair elastics. I got them from ShopRite, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take like a bunch of my twists and just put this up in the hair bands. Before you start styling your hair, there are 3 important things that you are going to need. 1, you are going to need a good moisturizer. 2, you are going to need your styling cream. And 3, you are going to need your sealant. Your moisturizer will help to moisten and soften your hair and make it easier to work with. You need moisture in your hair. Dry, thirsty hair does not hold the best styles at all. Today's moisturizer is the Dark and Lovely All Natural Afro Moisturizing Butter. Now, when it comes to styling creams, there are so many styling creams on the market that you can buy and use to style your hair. With the wide variety of styling creams we have a wide variety of holds that these styling creams have. Gels are very well known for having a very strong hold. That means your curl will last much longer than using a regular cream product. There are some creams that have really good holds, and they have usually like either a medium to strong hold, and there are also some creams that don't really have a hold, but they are just like a very loose, wavy hold. The cream I'm going to be using to style my hair today is the Cantu Shea Butter Coconut Curling Cream. Now, this in combination with the Twist and Lock Gel, also from Cantu Shea Butter, is amazing. And the last and final thing you're going to need is a sealant. A sealant could be an oil, or it could be another cream that has a really that has a lot of oil in it. Oil will seal in everything that you've applied to your hair. So you apply moisture to your hair, you put oil on top of it so that the moisture can stay in your hair, so your hair stays softer and moisturized longer. Today's oil sealant is the Sheer Moisture Mongrel Hemp Seed Oils High Porosity Moisture Correct Finishing Elixir. It has baobab protein and apple cider vinegar. I really like using this product to seal in my hair because it's for people with high porosity, and high porosity means that your hair loses a lot of moisture. So this oil is made for people that lose a lot of moisture, so it's made for people that want to really seal in the moisture in their hair. Alright, that's enough talking. Let's start to style this hair. I really hope you guys can see me. If you can't, I'm really sorry. So this is the back of my hair. I have 4 big chunky twists here, and I'm going to start with this twist right here. So I'm just going to unravel the twist with my hands just nicely, and then use my fingers to go through the twist so that I can kind of, loosen it up and get it ready for twisting. I'm going to take my moisturizer. I'm just gonna take a little bit of it and spread it throughout the hair. Now I'm gonna take my curling cream. For this piece of hair, I'm going to take this little amount, and spread it throughout the hair. Now I'm just gonna do simple twists on my hair. So I'm just gonna divide my hair into two, roll it around each other. That's the only way I can really explain what a twist is. And for the end, what I always do is I take a little bit of my whatever product I'm using to style my hair. Take a little bit of it and just roll it around like that. And that is it. That is a simple twist. Twisting all my hair. I really played myself. I didn't expect my twist to be this small. I completely forgot to talk about this even before I started twisting my hair, but one thing that you do need to consider when styling your natural hair are the size of the twist that you're going to do. The size of your twist will definitely influence and definitely contribute to the size of the curls that you're going to end up with. With twists like these are smaller twists. It means I'm going to have a really defined and really tighter curl pattern. If you have bigger, chunkier twists, sort of like the twist that I started out with, your curls are going to be much bigger, much bulkier, and will not last as long. So always keep that in mind when you're about to start twisting your hair. If you want really big voluminous hair, you can go for bigger, chunkier twists, and if you want smaller curls that are really tight and really nice, you can go for smaller twists. The last and final step when you're styling your hair is to always use oil or use a product that has a lot of oil to seal in the moisture. I'm just gonna shake it up and spray it into my hand like this, rub it between my fingers, and literally just rub it all over my strands. Try and make sure you get the ends, the tips, because that is where your hair breaks the most, so you need the oil to seal in the moisture there so your hair doesn't break at the tips. Alright, so it has been a few days. Usually I do not loosen my hair on the day that I do my hair. What I usually do is I keep whatever style I have in my hair. So it could be bantu knots, it could be twist, it could be flat twist all the way down. I keep it in my hair for a certain number of time. I think the longest I've kept a style in my hair is a week, so I do that a lot with bantu knots because they're very good protective style. And then I loosen them on the weekend because that's when I go to events and I like to have my hair out. So it has been a couple of days. I cannot remember when I did my hair, I will not lie to you, and now I'm about to loosen it. One necessary thing I always have whenever I'm loosening my hair, especially if it's in tiny twists like this, is I have hair bands, because I need to keep my hair out of my way as I'm loosening my hair. To loosen my hair, I'm going to be using an oil-rich moisturizing cream. This is from Adebiyi Organics, and this is their hair moisturizing butter. I love using this product. It's a really great mix of shea butter and a bunch of other oils. So simply what I do is take a handful like that and rub it on the hair I'm about to loosen. I'm sorry guys, it's raining, so if you hear the sound of the rain, I'm sorry. I don't have a soundproof room yet. Make sure my hands are literally coated with whatever oil or cream you're using. First off, I rub it like this, then I twist it in the opposite direction. Like so. And then just comes apart like that. Simply just twisting it around, and then pulling it apart. Simple. So this is the curls I have. That's the curl I've created by twisting my hair. Now if you want more volume, as I said again, you can divide it, but I'm gonna leave it like this for now. Just for now. I end up like adding more volume in some places, but this is what we have right now. So I'm done twisting my hair. By the way, I'm doing a voiceover because it's raining, and right now I'm adding volume, and that's by dividing the undone twists into just two. So I'm just picking and choosing and just doing this to the places where I think there should be a bit more volume. I don't like my twist laying flat on my head like that. So doing this adds like a bit more body and a bit more volume to the hair. So that is what I'm doing right now, and I'm just picking and choosing in different places. I'm just doing it kind of all over in a scattered manner. There's no really rhyme or reason in the way I'm doing it. This does lose a bit of curl definition when you do this, but I like having a mix of volume and curls when I loosen my hair and I'm taking it out. So I'm just looking at myself in the mirror right now and trying to figure out, okay, where do I need more volume, where do I need to, you know, divide the twists and everything. So that is what I'm doing right now, and I'm just adding volume to my hair by dividing the twists. And that is it. I hope you guys have learned something new. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do let me know what you think of this video in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up because it helps me, and do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!